Hey, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So I understand you want to know what happens when they click on register. So the way you set up your page right now is when they click on this register, you put it as submit the page, okay? So that means that it would take them to the next step in your funnel, okay? So as an example, I'm just going to open this one and check it for you real quick. Just give it a second. Alright. So as it loads, I'm just going to explain the second question you asked, which was you set up the ClickFunnels email, but it's not working for you. So the reason why that is because to be able to create an email list in ClickFunnels, you need to have the Actionetics, which is the platinum, and currently you're not on that package. You're on the plan of the normal, so you can't really create an email list. So here is where you can actually find like either the Actionetics plan, which you can add to a list and things like that, or you can also have a third-party email integration like MailChimp or what's it called, Constant Contact and Aweber and things like that. Just third-party autoresponders. This is where you can put it. Again, like MailChimp. So, so yeah, that's that for that. So you currently are not on the package where you can set up the Actionetics in the ClickFunnels internal Actionetics. Here, as you can see, it's for Actionetics only. So that answers that question. As for the second question, when they click on this register me now, because the page is on submit the page, it will take the email that's here and it will create a contact for you on the here with the email that they put in here, and then it will take them to this page, the order from page. Okay, the way you set it up here, you have after the email opt-in, which is this page, it goes to this page and then this page. Okay, so that's the way you set it up. This. So after you click on this page, the submit register me now is going to go from here to here to this one. Okay, so yeah, I hope this answers your question. As for how we're going to help you with Facebook, so that's something that you need to send me more details about, because we are not currently giving out any marketing advice or tips or strategies, especially at this help desk, because I'm just here to help you with technical difficulties. So if you have any questions regarding marketing, I'm just going to put in a link for you that will help you to jump on our private Facebook group and also the Funnelflix, so that you can join and be able to get some tips and strategies. Okay, and yeah, so that's that. I hope that answered your question. That's all for now. Have a great day.